Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the screen device and authenticating immediately. Enter your issued credentials. This secures chain of custody and links actions to you. Once logged in, check the network icon and battery percentage. If below 50%, connect the charger before prolonged use. Make sure to enable screen lock and confirm device ID against your assignment. Do not skip these steps because proper initialization prevents data loss and preserves evidence integrity while you proceed to active tasks. You now use the Evidence application to capture and document. Start a new case or scan the incident barcode, then begin recording video or taking photos, ensuring timestamps and GPS are present. While recording, narrate key facts aloud so audio supports visuals, and pause between events to mark clips. Once done, add concise annotations, tag involved personnel, and set sharing permissions for supervisors. Doing these actions correctly maintains admissibility and speeds subsequent reviews, and you complete the process by uploading evidence to the secure server and verifying the transfer. Watch for an upload receipt or checksum confirmation. Once confirmed, lock the case record and properly log out of the device to maintain chain of custody. If the upload fails, document the error message, note time and network conditions, then use an approved alternate method, such as direct USB transfer to evidence room or contact IT. This troubleshooting step preserves integrity and avoids data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.